Hello, this is Garemore again, and today we have an update on my Nintendo 3DS Bluetooth audio experiment. The amplifier section is the same as before, but we've added a new Bluetooth transmitter. This is a stereo Bluetooth transmitter, the other one was mono. And we decided to power it from the same power supply as the headphone amplifier. So we needed a power isolator with a 10 UF across the output and a 1000 UF across the transmitter board. And this speaker has a delay, but it sounds good. This LG headset actually gets stereo audio, and it sounds better than this, probably. We're going to play some music now. Let's show you what it sounds like. What I was trying to show you is if you push the button on the bottom of the transmitter, it will actually mute the audio. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get this with the camera, but because I have to hold this in and press the button. You can also adjust the volume on the 3DS itself, or from the speaker. This breadboard kind of sucks. I'm getting good audio out of it. You can also pause it here. You can see that there is a delay when you start playback. And it actually comes out of the speaker. The same when you change tracks. With the LG tones, there is no delay. Both of these devices seem to work fine with this transmitter. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Tumblr. All links are in the description. And I will also post a schematic if you want this. A schematic of this entire circuit. I will post this. And that's all I have to say. Goodbye.